Humans started using knives 2.5 million years ago. And a few days later, we learned the importance of keeping our knives sharp. A sharp knife meant survival. A sharp knife meant food on the table. And in today's modern kitchen, sharp knives are more important than ever. But when's the last time you sharpened your knives? Days? Months? Years? Let's face it, your kitchen knives aren't cutting it. That's where we come in. We're Knife Aid, a professional knife sharpening service. In just 3 clicks on our website, our Knife Aid protective envelope will be en route to your mailbox. Simply package and mail your knives in our safe, hassle-free envelope. Postage is paid, and don't worry, your knives are insured and trackable. Our knife smiths will use proprietary techniques and technology to give your knives the spa treatment, the sharpest possible angle. And since we professionally sharpen rather than just hone your knives, you'll get your knives back sharper than the day you bought them. Guaranteed. Give your knives new life with Knife Aid, professional knife sharpening by mail.